Okay, so this video is looking at finding vertices. The vertices are the corners of my feasible region, and I've already done the shading out, so I hope you've watched the videos for the how to find the feasible region. So this bit in the middle is my feasible region, and I've got these four corners. Now, for every constraint that you get, you should get a vertice. It doesn't always work, but most of the time it does. So 4 constraints, 4 vertices. So therefore, I've got 4 points to find. Some of those points are going to be easy. I will define the finding of those points as trivial. This line, my cyan line, is the x is less than or equal to 4 line, and this line, the yellow line, is my y is less than or equal to 5, so therefore that point is 4, 5. Couldn't get more trivial than that. This point and this point are the intersection of a vertical or horizontal line and a line that's on an angle. This one, the purpley line with the cyan one, and the other point is the green line and the yellow line. So what I can do is I can make, I'm going to do this point first, I can make x equal 4. Now the purple line is 4x plus 5y equals 20. Now I'm going to use the equals because it makes more sense. No, technically it's a greater than or equal to or whatever, but it makes more sense to use it as an equals because I'm solving the point on the line. I'm going to substitute x as 4, so I get 16 plus 5y equals 20. Therefore 5y equals 4, so y equals 4 fifths, or for those decimal bunnies out there, 4.8. So therefore the coordinate, remember the x coordinate goes first, is 4 fifths. And the same works with this one. I've now got y equals 5, and I've got an equation y equals 3x minus 1. So that's 5 equals 3x minus 1. So 6 equals 3x, so x equals 2. Now I could have read that point off the curve because it's on in the corner, but it makes more sense to actually practice the mathematics than just, somebody going, oh, this one I can't read off the corner, so I don't know what to do. Now, those points were fairly straightforward. Some people get confused about all the substitution in this. You learn the steps, which is why I'm making the video in stages. Then when we come to doing a big problem, you can go and do each step separately. Now this last point, I need to solve simultaneously because I've got two straight lines, both in terms of y and x. I can't put that into my calculator at the moment. My purple line is ready, but my green line is not. It needs to be rearranged. So I'm going to rearrange that, and I'm going to get 3x minus y equals 1. Now, at that point, I would love to flick up the calculator on your screen and for you to see me doing that on your calculator. Unfortunately, I can't get access to the software at home and I can't upload videos at work at the moment, so you're going to have to work with me on this. So my first equation, my purple line, my x is 4, my y is 5, and my constant is 20. For my second equation, I've got 3x minus 1y and 1. So when I click solve, that gives me some horrible numbers for this coordinate, which is 25 over 19, comma, 56 over 19. But those are my 4 coordinates, so those are my vertices. And I've done it with 20 seconds spare, so I'm feeling rather smug. Catch you next time when we have a look at a full problem for the first time.